The text effects size plugin will allow you to manipulate the size of your fonts and have it animate on. So we have a scene set up here. As we hit play, you can see how the text effects size animates up. So if we go into our text effects size editor, what we have again is our progress percentage, and when we can adjust that, that is what we keyframe to set our animation progress. Underneath that, you have your progress type again, absolute and relative. You have your direction. And so since we do have our animation set already, we can come in and change our direction and see how that affects the text when we play it. We also have our interpolate set to soft by default, and then we also have the linear selection. And this refers to your ease in and ease out type animation on it. You have your effect range. Again, this will affect the range of what's happening from one letter to another, and your random seed is the randomness of it. There's an ignore space and an ignore new line again. And like the other ones, we have our text order set to as is by default. We have our horizontal choice and our vertical choices as well. And again, since we do have our keyframes set, you can simply come in here, choose one of these options, hit play, and see how that affects the font. We also have our begin size. So right now we have it set to 0.10. When we rewind our timeline, you can see that our beginning size is 0.10. If we decrease it here, it will take it down to 0. And our end size is 0.10. If we start it at 0, it comes up to 0.10. Again, you can adjust this to have it scale up to the size, whatever you need. Generally, it's easy just to set your animation first, and then you come in to your other options here and just start choosing to get the right choice for your particular animation and how you want it.